Adding primer before painting allows the paint to adhere with a uniform finish. It's a simple way to achieve professional results on your next paint project. Here's what you'll need. Latex primer is considered an all-purpose primer and easily cleans up with water. Oil-based primer is better for blocking stains and covering wood surfaces. A gallon of primer will cover 250 to 400 square feet of a surface. Not only that, primer is also typically less expensive than paint. Using primer instead of several coats of new paint may lower the cost of your paint job. Make sure to move your furniture out of or to the center of the room. Cover the floors and furniture with drop cloths. Use painter's tape to mask molding, trim, windows, and the ceiling. To prepare the wall, remove outlets, HVAC registers, nails, and other hardware. Use caulk or lightweight spackling compound to fill and repair holes. Remove excess spackle with a putty knife. Let it dry and smooth it out with a sanding block. Then wipe the walls clean with a damp towel. It's difficult for dry brushes and rollers to absorb primer. If using latex primer, use water to dampen rollers and brushes. For oil-based primers, use paint thinner or mineral spirits. Squeeze or roll out excess. Next, prepare your primer. Stir and pour primer into the paint tray. Begin priming by cutting in. Cutting in is outlining the wall with a 2 to 3 inch band around the edges. Use a 2-inch angled brush to apply primer in all corners or places where walls, molding, and ceilings meet. Now you're ready to prime the wall. Start with a single vertical strip at the cut in the corner. Apply in 3x3 foot sections, working top to bottom, in a series of V or W patterns until covered. Move from one side to the other and always overlap wet areas. If a second coat is needed, wait until the first coat is completely dry. After the primer dries, lightly sand away bumps and ridges using a fine grit sandpaper or sanding block. Wipe the wall clean with a damp towel. Priming a wall is the first step to getting great results for your next paint project. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.